before we get to the firework, say hello to your favorite retired service veteran, the one, the only, Sergeant Pyro!
Hello!
Sergeant Pyro, what are you holding to display for us?
Well, hopefully it's a good channel, because it's some adult-only schnapps from RGS. Really good stuff.
Yeah, the really good stuff. RGS brand fireworks. Now, not a very common brand we normally find down here in Arizona. And these are the adult X-rated only snaps. So it says they're warning explosive. And how many are in the box?
There are 20.
20 in the box. There we go, 20 pieces. So Sergeant Pyro is going to go ahead. He's going to flip it around. There we go. Sergeant Pyro, made in China. Go figure.
Roro.
There we go. That's even better. Look at that. Yeah, I'm going to zoom in here. Whoa. Now, it does say there, adults only, 18 plus.
Oh, I'm not old enough.
We're talking fireworks, though, right? Okay, here we go. So, Sergeant Pyro, are you ready to head out to the street pad to make some X-rated only snappers?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go! All right, so we made it to the street pad with the X-rated adult snaps from RGS brand fireworks. Thank you, Ziggy, and thank you, Sergeant Pyro. Say hello to Ziggy, everybody.
Hello, Ziggy.
Hello, Ziggy. All right, Sergeant Pyro. Yep, they're all in there with the sawdust. All right, he's going to zip it. There we go. And we're going to snap it, pal. So I'm going to get back a little bit. Now, let me see if Ziggy's ready. Ziggy, are you... Okay, Ziggy's ready. All right. Now, these are going to be louder. We just woke up.
Batman.
We just woke up a lot of dogs.
Wow.
When you're ready. Whoa! Damn. That was double X.
You can smell that gunpowder.
You definitely can smell the powder. Yeah. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! There you go. You got the one or two left, you think. Whoa! Wow. Damn, those are loud. That was it? Whoa!